Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, we're going to review the 2025 Matchbox M case. So now let me show you the cars from this case. So at first you have the Subaru WRX S4 STI. This is new for 2025 and this is the 31 out of 125. Talking about the card art is fantastic and overall the car is also very good. You'll see why. It comes with the painted tail lights and the number plate detailing. And then talking about the front here, it comes with the painted headlights and the logo is placed very well. The color and the wheels matches very well, and this is the 2024 Subaru WRX. So now let's move on to the next casting. Up next that I want to show you is the 1986 Volvo 240. So overall this is the classic car, and then this is 122 out of 125, and overall I like the card art again, and it gives the classic feeling. This again comes with the painted tail light detail and the number plate detailing there, and then talking about the front, it comes with the painted headlight and even the grille detailing is not missed. So this is the top which comes with the sunroof detailing, and then this is the base. This is the 1986 Volvo 240. Let's move on to the next car. The next car again is new for 2025. This is the 2023 Nissan Ariya pole to pole. So this is new for 2025, and then you have the Nissan logo there, and this is 18 out of 125. Talking about the card art guys, notice this comes under Matchbox Adventure, so that is why you have the rocky and hilly terrain there. And then talking about the car is quite good and it looks bulky. I personally like the color combination of this car, and then this comes with the number plate detailing. And then talking about the livery, it has that pole to pole, and then in the front you have the very well grilled details and the Nissan logo there. The headlight could have been a little better is what I feel. And then this is the top, and talking about the base, this comes with the black base. This is the Nissan Ariya pole to pole. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting is everyone's favorite. This is the Dodge Durango. So overall you see the Dodge logo there on the left, and then this is 107 out of 125. And talking about the card art again, look at that, it comes with that hilly rocky terrain. So you know what it is. So do you know? If you know it, let me know in the comments. Talking about the Dodge here, it is quite very good, and this is the I think this is the first one in my collection. I do not have this in any other brands. And talking about the front end, you get the painted headlights, and overall I say it is fine. So this comes with the sunroof detailing, and then this is the base. This is the 2018 Dodge Durango. Let's move on to the next car. The next car is one of my favorites. This is the 1966 Land Rover Gen 2. So talking about the card art, look at the Land Rover logo there, and this is 82 out of 125. And then you have the warning there, which is very important for small children. And then again it is the rocky terrain. Now talking about this is the Land Rover Gen 2, and I love the livery on this. Then it says Safari Park here. Talking about the rear end comes with quite a good amount of details, and I like the livery as I said. Talking about the front end, I think they could have painted the headlights, but it is a very good one. So this is the Land Rover Gen 2. So do let me know in comments what do you guys think about this casting. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is again new for 2025. This is the 2025 Polaris. So now talking about this is new for 2025, and then you have the Polaris there, and this is 105 out of 125. And the card art again is very nice, and most of them are not picking this casting. So if you like this casting or if you know about this, do let me know in comments what do you think about this. Personally, I feel this is a very good nice addition to your collection, and you can have it in your collection. There's no harm in that. Overall, I would say it depends on collectors. Many of them are not picking it up, but it is a nice casting. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is again one of my personal favorites. So this is the 2016 Nissan Sentra, and this is that sedan guys. So I like sedan cars, and it is matching very well. And then you have the Nissan logo there, and this is 91 out of 125. Talking about the card art, so if you noticed, I think this comes under Matchbox City because you have the city background there in the card art, unlike the rocky terrains which was meant for adventure. Or I think this comes for Matchbox Road series. I'm not very sure, but do let me know in comments if you know it. Talking about the car here, so this is the 2016 Nissan Sentra. It's quite plain, and then talking about the details, it comes with the painted tail lamp details and the number plate detailing, and I like it plain. It's good that there is no livery on it. And talking about the front, it comes with the painted headlights. Overall, I would say this is a very nice casting. And one more thing to notice that if you look at the Matchbox card art, you have the metal logo there, and then you have the metal, and it guarantees for a lifetime, unlike Hot Wheels. So, have you noticed this in your Matchbox card art? Do let me know in comments. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is everyone's favorite and one of the very good ones in this mix. This is the 2024 Range Rover. So overall, it is a very big bulky car, and then this is new for 2025. The Range Rover written there, and this is 32 out of 125. Many of us were eagerly waiting for this. Like when I saw it in the other videos, and finally I could get my hands on this. Overall, the car art again is fantastic. And now let's move to the car. The car is quite good, but only disappointing thing is that there is no details at the back. There is no number plate detailing, nor the one second. So there is no number plate detailing, nor there is that painted tail lamp details. I hope you are able to see it. And then talking about the front, this comes with the painted headlights and the grille detail, which is actually good, but it would be very good if this came with the rear end detailing. Overall, this is a very nice casting, and you can pick it up in my opinion, but opinions may vary. Do let me know. This even came in like the other Range Rover came in Hot Wheels this year. Let's move on to the next set of cars. Up next, you have the BMW 1M. And then talking about the card art is fantastic, and this is 21 out of 125. So overall, it is a very nice casting. Again, this BMW comes with white color and black wheels. Talking about the details, it comes with the painted tail lamp detail and number plate detailing. And then in the front, again, you have the number plate detailing, grille details, and painted headlights. Overall, I would say this is the best in this case. Again, like best meaning, it is not that it is very valuable, but with all the detailing and everything given, this is the best so far in the case. Let's move on to the next one. The next one that I have is muscle fans favorite. So this is the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. And talking about the card art is fantastic, and then you even have the Ford logo on the top. This is 67 out of 125. Overall, the card art is good, and even the casting. The casting is quite nice, but I would love if it came in an other color. But again, there is no painted tail lamp detail. It would have been so good if the paint was on. And talking about the front, again, it is missing the details, but it is fine considering it is like it's Matchbox, or you can say it is metal. And then this is the base. So this is the Ford Mustang Fastback, but I expected a lot of detailing for this, but I'm quite disappointed with this one. Let's move on to the next one. The next one that I'm going to show you is the Alfa Romeo, and then this is new for 2025, and then you have the Alfa Romeo logo there. This is 60 out of 120, and the card art is very good when I compare it with others. So I like the card art for this car specifically. And in talking about the car again, it is quite nice. But it comes with the number plate detailing there. And then talking about the front here, so you have the painted headlights, and then I would say it is a nice car for your collection. So this is the Alfa Romeo. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the 2016 Fiat 500X, and you have the Fiat logo there, and this is 35 out of 125. This is again, I think, from the Matchbox Adventure series, looking at the card art. So overall, the car is good. Again, quite bulky. It comes with the painted tail lamp details. And in talking about the front, it comes with the painted headlights, and the logo is placed quite fine. I like the color too, and everything is quite fine. So this was the review for the 2025 Matchbox M case. I'm sorry I couldn't get my hands on the Harry Potter. Hopefully I get lucky with it. So I'm eagerly finding those. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do share it out with other collectors. And guys, one more thing to note, not to forget, the prices are still the same. They were actually supposed to reduce the price, but the prices are still same. And this very recently came into the local toy store. So see you guys in my next video. So this was my favorite in this set. So do let me know in comments which one is your favorite. See you guys in my next video.